MacBook Pro. Hey y'all, welcome to the vlog. Today's Wednesday, and as you guys can see from the title, I'm heading to Apple. Pickup time is 2 o'clock, and I don't even gotta tell y'all that your girl is running late. And I tried to multitask this morning, and I said let me just wash my hair, finish washing my hair by 12:30. The goal was to leave the house by like 12:45. Yeah, right now it's 1:15. My first check-in window is at 2 o'clock, and this Apple store, y'all, is far as hell. This was the only one that had this computer in stock that I can pick up today. I didn't want to wait to have it mailed, so yeah, this is gonna be a long ride. All right, 46 minutes according to my GPS for me to get there. Long as hell, but anyway, let's go. All right guys, I'm walking in. I have no idea where I'm going. It's 2:05 right now, so I'm a little bit late, but we'll see. Alright guys, so I just got back in the car. So yeah, Apple did not even let me go into the store. Like, they brought everything outside, which it was like kind of annoying because they still took my temperature and all that and asked me COVID related questions, but I never even got to go inside the store. So I'm happy that I did it this way, like did my research online and stuff. So I'll do an unboxing and show you guys what I got when I get back to the house. I am doing an unboxing of my Mac. Can't really see, it looks kind of washed out, but of my MacBook Pro. So I'm just going to show you guys what I got. Here's the bag that I got. MacBook Pro. Oops. Well, I also got, I got AirPods. So these AirPods were free with Apple's student special. I also got this USB-C to SD card for my memory cards, so that's in the box as well. Well, that's what I purchased as well. So this is the star of the show. Alright y'all, so I haven't opened up a Mac product in a long time, so I'm gonna lift from here. So guys, I needed to do an upgrade because my MacBook Air has been running extremely slow when it comes to editing my videos and uploading them to YouTube. So guys, this is the MacBook Pro 13-inch, and it's 1 terabyte. It's the highest level in the 13-inch series. Alright, so here we go guys. I'm about to open up this MacBook Pro. Here's the cover. Mac always has like really good packaging, like really good. And here's the computer. I'm gonna rest this to the side. I have the pamphlet. It has some stickers and just some startup information. Then over here is the charging brick, and over here is the C port, the cable for the charger, and that's it in the box. I'm so excited, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up this baby. So let me open it. It's a little plastic. So I'm just comparing the size of the Air to the Pro. So below this is my MacBook Air. So put that aside. Open up this baby. So right off, it looks really nice, feels really nice. me do my little comparison. Definitely a lot smaller. Well, not a lot, but definitely smaller.
English is the main language. Press the return key.
So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up. I'm not gonna port the information from my Air over to the Pro just yet because I don't want to put too much information on it, because my Air has a lot of information that I don't need. So I'm gonna airdrop certain things and different apps and stuff. And like, I know I'm not tripping. So the body of this, the screen size is the same, but the computer frame is bigger, if that makes sense. It's the same exact screen, just less like built-in hardware around it. So let me go set up this computer and I'll be right back. So language, I'm gonna select English, free, continue, Wi-Fi. So I'm just gonna select, like I told you guys, I'm gonna select that I don't want to set it up just yet. Apple ID. Guys, I still can't believe this is my computer. Oh my goodness. So I have a case and stuff. I ordered some stuff last night for it. It should come tomorrow. So I do use Apple Pay, but I'm not gonna set it up. You know what? I'm gonna just set it up. Right now it's in auto, but I think I'm gonna do auto, guys. I'm not gonna do light or dark, so it can switch. So everything is starting up. I'll come back when everything is done. So the Mac is set up, guys. So thank you guys so much for setting up my Mac with me. So excited. If you guys would like to see how I customize my Mac, let me know in the comments down below and I'll be happy to put that up for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
All who did not know me when not done, they gon' know the name. Million people coming down, dancing to a song.